If you're looking to upscale your lifestyle in a single move, check this Uptown Arts Residence. Good day investors, this is Kel from MegaWorld at the Fort at itutour ko kayo here in Uptown Arts. Uptown Arts is located inside Uptown Bonifacio Township. This is the newest turnover residential unit that we have as of today. So lahat ng yan is walkable distance from Landers, Mitsukoshi Mall, Uptown, Uptown Parade, and we have also your captured market area here inside the area. So, ano bang inaantay natin? Check this out. So guys, this is the 41 square meter studio unit here in Uptown Arts. Check natin. So upon entering, syempre meron na kayong keycard access na doorknob with fingerprint and also your kitchen. Your kitchen is almost complete. You have 2-zone burner cooktop, range hood, soft closing and opening of the cabinets. Ganda. Box type sink, retractable faucet, and 2-door refrigerator. So lahat ng ito is kasama na once the turnover of your unit. Lahat naman yan is top European brand, Gorenjing. This is a smart home equipped unit and pwede nyong kontrolin yung mga lights to your phone. So this one is your bathroom. So your bathroom is fully fitted, complete with toilet, bath, and anything. So in this side naman is your living area. You can put your bed in here, small sofa, or dining table, and meron rin itong kasamang split type aircon. So inverter na yan guys, malakas na magpalamig. So this is your 2-door cabinet with mirrors na included na. So this is your possible view. This is your balcony with a view of Uptown Bonifacio Township. Sobrang ganda guys. Nakaka-relax pa rin with the city vibes. So you can own this unit with a no down payment. But if you want to move in, all you need to do is a 10% down payment. So meron din naman tayong mga rent-own payment terms and I can show it to you. And if you appreciate this kind of unit, just comment down below and let's have a site viewing. For more questions, viewings, and Zoom meetings, just comment down below so I can assist you. Catch you in the next one.